I'm taking that off. You ready for this? 24 Sportage. And we have 1 screw, 2 screws behind trap doors. Using your handy dandy tools, you get up under. Drop her open. Alright, pop her open. There's a little notch too. See? Put it right in. Doop. Same with that. I'm not doing that. 2 screws out. And of course, your handy dandy hook tool. Go right there in the corner. And pull, Margot. Really, really pull. Because it will pop out. And then I started going around. Now, Kia clips are tough. They sound like they break. But they actually don't. But right here, you want to make sure you grab with both hands. Because it looks like it'll crack right there if you don't do it properly. And then once you pop it up, pop the last pin out. Right? The handle, the whole door panel comes up a little bit. I got my knee on it, holding it up. Because this little ledge right here hooks onto this. So when you want to put it back on, you have to go up and over. Right? Up and over. So it locks into place. So you can't pull the top out by pulling. It's locked into place. So there you go. Up and out. Now let's play with this guy. There you go. Look at this. Love these new cars. This one. Let's see what we got here. We got a push pin. There you go. Done. See that? Now let's do the door mirror. Unclip. Whoop-de-doo. From the bottom. Hook tool. From the bottom. And pull outward. It'll pop out and down into your hands. Capiche? This will just stay floating. Now let's get these 3 10 mils out and see if this will pop out. So let's do it. So apparently these 10 mils are indestructible. No, it finally came out. All right, so I actually spent 20 seconds prior to that getting this thing out. So let's get this guy without falling. Let's do it by hand. We don't want that to fall. So put it back in a little bit and then pull it out by hand. Let's see if this puppy wants to cooperate. Let's see. I might as well crank it down. I killed my battery. You might as well crank it by hand. Let's go get another battery. Who wants to use hand tools? Ugh, look at this. Look at this. Look how hard this is. Look. Ugh. That's to crack it. Jesus. So you must crack it with by hand. Sitting down is not easy, so we'll stand up, get some leverage on this thing. Look at this. Look at this. For a mirror. Unbelievable. Ugh. Now we can use a gun. There you go. Alright. Definitely is it. Alright. But what I would do, squeeze those. Because you see how it's sort of holding it in place? So let's squeeze them and get this puppy out and show you that's actually it. Ah! So yes, squeeze them. So I need it both hands. That is definitely it. That's what's holding it to the body, which is nice so it doesn't go crashing down onto the floor and then have 7 years of bad luck. So let's put this thing back, but you get the idea. More idiotic stuff from Kia. So when you get to this last push pin, this one right here actually lifts up. Found out the hard way. It did come out the first time around. I did pull hard enough to pull this thing out, but it will leave the door panel on by itself. Let me see if I can let me see if I can duplicate it. Just idiotic. So you got to line this puppy up. You see this yellow thing with that white. Let's see if I can get this. Just idiotic. Just dumb. Just dumb. You see what I'm saying? So putting it back is a little not hard, but gotta make sure they line up. All right, now, if you pop this thing out, that's what I did. This puppy has to go back in this way. It's this little groove channel. I popped it out without knowing. You see? It's dumb. That has to be in. So I'm sure both hands. So like it, don't like it, share, don't share, subscribe.